So and then say there me mix it in kakra so I know.
Oh yes, of course.
Be very fine.
Benfica ekom ya. Omo try anka say ankom be adwuma so antime amfa.
You see it started from Bergamo.
Okay.
Atalanta or coach, he's 41 years, your friend of Palladino. I remember a couple of years ago, now may have small research on the young Italian managers, those that stand out. Oh no, Vincenzo Italiano, Roberto Di Zerbi, these guys, young. Now you can see Enzo Maresca has added to that pack. Very young, quality, and they are very tactically astute. I mean, immediately when Gianpiero Gasperini free Atalanta, Nipe Bian or Babefe Jumane wa Atalanta would have struggled because Gasperini is a representation of everything Bergamo stands for and Atalanta stands for. And knowing Atalanta history, it's a club that has been moving in and out of the Serie A and the Serie B for some time now before they settled under Gianpiero in recent times. So then obviously, a big quest to come. In the league, it hasn't been too bad. The big problem was in Europe. He turned it around with a win against Chelsea when they managed to get the win at home at Bergamo when Chelsea went up by a goal to 0. So now Charles de Catalare and it says our second goal against Chelsea to give them hope. On the final day they got it and now they are here. Now, when you go away in the Champions League, Gab, this may sound like an unpopular opinion, but say Obi Ebu game away in the Champions League. Now say Olusu 2-1. And I say be a 2-0 and a 1-0. Now or the Befia, you better than what I was saying 1-0. You ever said to say this case?
Yeah.
Dortmund say 2-0 or Nhyira. And Atalanta ever or Nhyira with a home advantage.
Yeah.
It is better than or no Atalanta in a better place than what I was saying 2-0. Unless it is 3-0, 4-0, 5-1 like Newcastle DNB, like Galatasaray DNB. And no Kurampo, we saw how difficult it was for Gala.
Okay.
Why? Because there be say only 1-0 and as a 2-1 as a coach, how do you approach the game? Do you open up and go for more goals? Then a part of your brain will tell you say, what if a symmetry and then almost it's a Shemia? Or do you play conservative and then shut up shop, compact to a Chironum, and then prevent the teams from hurting you? Then what if they sustain pressure against you and then score you too? It's a thing. That is why the home and away, who are away first in an advantage, especially if you use it well.
Two person winning, so winning well.
You go home first, you pick your opponent convincingly. Send it 3-0, send it 2-0, send it 4-0.
Okay. In
this game, it was clear that from the blast of the whistle, it was clear that Palladino had told himself and his players said there's nothing to lose. Yenika could lose 2-0 Dortmund. If you remember, I didn't say you're worried. Say okay, you're careful, kakra. No. He asked his boys to go full blast attacking on Dortmund. And I wasn't surprised when Gianluca Scamacca got that first goal. And if you look at the data, it's clear. XG at Atlanta for the police here, 2.61 against a 0.93 XG of Dortmund. They had 15 shots against 7 shots of Dortmund. They had 9 shots on target against Dortmund's 4 with 44% possession. Ubenya ball, but once they get the ball, they are more dangerous than you are.
So from this start, what they might know. Ball na yem pre-play ne de na Dortmund air pre-play. But the tactical flair ne no game na nkasa de na Atlanta mum na ebo.
Because Opego so nyabo no ngina so mbo pipa boy na no over to the thirds.
Okay.
Or be very vertical. He wants to come and hurt you. But you unim say advantage 2-0. Into unim say the more Obobo passes, the more you delay the time, the more you waste the game. It was also very clear in the Juventus game na. Galatasaray go away to Juventus no. First half, Gala were not playing. Omo perform, no omo pecard, omo person will delay match no because Okita 5-1 advantage. And Odeba. It only say 3 goals no, it can be a little bit Herculean for the opponent to come and get, but it is very dangerous. And then now I like the spirit from Palladino to his players. And first one, Brandt friend Gianluca Scamacca. Then 2 quick fire for Abranti friend Davide Zappacosta. Solid one. And from this goal, you could tell that everybody in Dortmund, yellow and black, looked worried. Gregor Kobel had to console the players. No? Everybody was very, very worried about Parkinson because what was happening to them. And Ukraine said, when you go to Atalanta, those players are very good. Oko Atalanta fans now, are very vociferous, very loud. They make it difficult for you. Then in extra time, this happened. In added on time, this happened. A possible penalty. VAR check it was true. It was a penalty. Then of course Atalanta converted from the ground, making it the job done. And after that, go and look at that. Especially in a season where some of us have been questioning Italian football's credibility. So Monaco Champions League, Monaco even in Europe, even for clubs like Fiorentina, Monia, they are there. Then for Atalanta to turn it around, it will feel in Bergamo. For me, was a huge one and led by Gianluca Scamacca, and that is Palladino, who is the coach. For me, one of the best young coaches ever talents around him. If you love coaches' work, follow the work of our branch friend Palladino. Very, very good in that regard. Then,
yeah. Na on Atalanta,
yeah.
Gianluca Scamacca,
yeah.
About 3 seasons ago, near can strikers are. Nanka by this time,
yeah.
And Kenkas and Kebio Madu, you can say Haaland more na Uncle Kaumbi,
yeah.
About Premier League, and near Manfa. Then, Adania, all of us said, Oko, Terence here, go be a every week be a. I just want to be needing.
I think, Gab, sometimes we underrate the importance of adaptation in a player's life.
Okay.
So, Ufrini Krum, Nakobe Fofon, Edding, honestly speaking, to do that huge change and go to a huge place. And also, let us not forget that he went into a West Ham team that he had to settle in. Now, Fino Koko Shena, Mikel Antonio Mo already gets the goals. He had to now go and settle in. It was also always going to take time. And Obabi Pry. So he never really kick-started the West Ham career.
Okay.
And then he just keep. But this is what happened to him. Gab, there is one thing with Gianpiero Gasperini. Oh yeah, probably the best or the most important person in terms of finding players and rejuvenating our careers. He is it.
Okay.
When you talk about Gasperini, I can mention a lot of them. Manchester United for Ivorian winger, what's his name? Amad Diallo. When Amad Diallo was in the Primera Division for Atalanta, and as Gianpiero Gasperini saw him, he gave him a chance. Just a few games. Literally transformed the boy's career and China United better. When you look at somebody like even Ademola Lookman, who today we are talking about from Fulham in the English Premier League and the likes, when he went to play under him, it was same. There was a certain striker in Italy, a friend Zapata, Duvan Zapata. When he was with him at Atalanta, solid. Oh, she goes. Hopefully, one of the goals are not coming again.
Okay.
Look at Charles de Catalare. Charles de Catalare was at AC Milan. No, a Belgian for big star from Brugge went to AC Milan. Then it wasn't working there. Gianpiero Gasperini said, give me Catalare. First season, second season under Catalare, under Gasperini, he was delivered. And again, Scamacca went back to him. He just has the knack of turning players out. And Shedan Koyi, I don't know exactly what it is with him, but Onimsenia only the best out of players when he gets them in. And Atalanta obviously were reaping from that. Although say Gasperini, every club, it was a very, very good one for me. And Scamacca obviously is having a good time. Now, Minko Juventus match in Indican Bra and I say, I want the Juventus near clear Italy in 17-3-1.
Okay.
I did not believe that Spalletti could inspire the Juve boys. Although I mean, say we feel that they will not lose. But to prevent Galatasaray from scoring within 90 minutes, I didn't expect them to do. I expected a Galatasaray Beshe and almost a Beshe. And maybe a match in the mind in a draw, then Galatasaray go through. But I think that although the prediction was right, I need to commend Juve for the job that they did, especially in the first half. The kind of football that they played. Yeah, I told them, coach Biani, the kind of player that they get the best out of.
Okay.
And today's example is the story of Luciano Spalletti and Abrantia, your friend Manuel Locatelli. Even when Spalletti was in the Italian national team, Locatelli was always the guy. He always wanted Barella and Abrantia friend Manuel Locatelli. And since he came in, Locatelli has been the player. And now, even at a man down, until so Luka was pulling the strings of the game, left, right, center as a 6. When Jorginho was leaving the Italian football scene, now all for Italian national team, Locatelli has been earmarked as a new 6. All the control games now, and now it was similar. It was Turin Stadium, proper display, and Jorginho Park. By 37th minute, he as the captain of the night had gotten the goal leading by the front. Then from there, the second goal did come in. Then Weston McKennie made it 3-0. At this point, 5-5. I don't know if it was just the red card, but even with the red card, I feel like time and do for the red card. No more no crouching time and 11-11, especially in extra time. Yeah, there was a chance that came to Zaporia in the extra time, and him so yeah. Weston McKennie had a chance. I thought McKennie should have played that shot. One more, and a square man, the teammates. Then they didn't get a goal. From that point in time, it looked as if Galatasaray had smeared something onto their eye and were gotten the job done. See, nobody can tell me that Victor Osimhen cannot play for the big boys in anywhere in the world. No. Victor is creme de la creme, top of the top. Say you will be a top notch here. Victor is in that bracket that I won't be scared to put him close to Ellen.
Asa Ronaldo carries maybe one one. On pese umbelusu game.
No.
So mulusu game ani ni atudi unko.
You see, oya adebi. Time na omo ba be show second goal. Ojina boxing. Na gunu and no prepare ball. Then he keeps on complaining. By the time the ball was about to get to him, now in an offside nearly, now Koko in an offside position. And redirecting around, no. Instead of going with the body, he slanted his body. For me, that is class act. Because he was played offside in this area before he got this ball.
Okay.
But making a run in a slanted form just to stay onside, if you are not best of the best, you don't get that instinct. Say, I may be playing offside. It's me slanting around because obviously I'll get the ball. And immediately he got that. Should he open the body to open his body up and then go through the legs of Abranti and a parent? Victor is absolutely top. And for me, he deserves all the good things. How teams in the English Premier League, especially one of here striker, moved on from him. And apparently, South African football legend, what's his name? Benny McCarthy. And Benny said, time assistant to Eric Ten Hag. They discussed Victor Osimhen. The problem was that scouts brought it up, said Victor Beko AFCON. Or AFCON is going to affect them. And he feels like the timing of the AFCON sometimes prevent players like Victor from going to the big clubs. 65 games, 53 goals, 13 assists from Abranti Efreno, Victor Osimhen. After that, Abranti Efreno, Burak Yilmaz, Emma Gibno, Echo, Dead Cry, Galatasaray for have gone through in there.
Now the big game.
Oh, the headliner of the big game is that Vini danced again. Osabim. This time, no racism, and it was on his own turf. The question was that Vini betini Sabimana. I like this. Before the game, the Madrid fans and the Ultra put out this big banner to tell Vini, say, keep on dancing and no to racism. Gab, Benfica again started the game like I told you. Omo lusu 1-0 with you. Omo ba away. There is nothing to lose. It was Benfica against Madrid in the opening of the game. Benfica looked the most dangerous. To the extent that a Rafa Silva goal from a possible own goal rebound and already share 1-0 for Benfica. So at that point in time, Benfica had the lead. But it was short-lived until Abranti Efreno Orienchi scored an excellent goal. He describes it as goal like to say they are Abranti Efreno Tony Cruz Ebeshe, and an important victory for them. For me, Orient, this was one of the best games that I've seen Orienchi play. Who said, Oko Madrid, I have no problem kakra with him. Whether technically he fits the role of a 6 and a tempo controller like you get Cruz, you will get even Dani Ceballos do. Omuri said he is more on the physical side. Eduardo Camavinga is very good box to box. But if you leave Chumani alone to dictate the pace of the game, like we were talking about Lucatelli, you talk about the other 6s away we are seeing now, he is not on that level, sir. But Madrid needed somebody to dictate the game. Coming out short to come and receive the ball under pressure. No, yeah.
Or drop your bet.
He did it very well. The scanning, everything was on point on the game to the extent that he added a goal to his play. But throughout the game, for me, is the performance of our Brantier friend Vinicius Junior. And I've said this before. I say Mbappe any team anymore. And there is a lot of questions that can Vini carry the Madrid team. He answers right. And I have a feeling that anytime Madrid makes the game about Vini, let's play to him like Abeloa has been trying to do her. He likes it, or per challenges, or per press and he takes it against Osasuna, against Real Sociedad, against Benfica away, against Benfica at home. All of them, he has gotten goals for Madrid. When times became difficult for him, and in most of them they have been without Bellingham, they've been without Rodrigo, they've been sometimes without Mbappe, and he has delivered. And now it was a very, very good one. Who share the technique or the being body him again? This time not like the Osimhen one, but on one pass ball, edit net in him.
Very serious.
Ball on them. Nicolas Otamendi the whole time was trying to close him down, but the pace of Vini. Yeah, Messi Eyase. When you ask me to name the top 2 wide creators, there's no way the name goes beyond Abrantia friend Vinicius Junior. Say player engineer wide area. Now, I'm making something to happen out of nothing. When you take Mohamed Salah on right hand, you take Vinicius Junior on the left hand. And for me, the strength of Vini is how incessant or yes, and you kind of go from Onyaiba. Oba ube channel.
And you know they assign it.
That's exactly what it is in P. Ojibo na Oba. Who trying to know kasa nano and the players name peno. Because who yet be able to know kasa nano. Ebia, I'm sure he's taunting them. Ebia Obetina can say me oh when they waffle start to be all of those things, the players get worried with it. And that is the strength of Vinicius Junior. Now he did it several times until so Nyasa win for Football Club Madrid, and this is it. The same dance, the same goal, the same place, the same thing, but the only difference is Debia Osano, which is on the Santiago Bernabeu turf. And obviously, at the Santiago Bernabeu, Vinicius Junior, the faithfuls in that stadium will be excited. And now he did his dance, and Vini continued to dance in that sugar. What it means that Madrid 400 games. And God, Thibaut Courtois is the best goalkeeper in the world. There are no ifs to it. There is a lot of respect for Gianluigi Donnarumma for winning the Ballon d'Or for goalkeepers near there. But for me, this man, he is the best goalkeeper in the world. And now look at how quick he went down onto the ground to clear it. Now, after the game, Nomubisa and he said, team, who you will be? Not play a phone with him. How did that happen? According to Thibaut Courtois, or say a technique, a 93, not on them. So when such balls are played, the 90 from so Pekon to be 94 on content because we say 9 from 100% from you will be slower. So you have to take the leg away and go faster. And according to him, although he developed that style of goalkeeping at Chelsea, it's natural for him because for the very first time I didn't know. I said, "I'm me a volleyball players." So as a child, ball, beach, it was something that he used to do. So it's in him as a volleyball player's child, and that's exactly what he could do. Now, Madrid went through by 2-1, and Jose Mourinho has been bundled out. Then, for me, to the game that broke my heart, and now my heart was broken for Obia Ochoa coach maybe because like we've been doing, who's there somewhere around?
But this statement they are about bunting.
But who's there somewhere around last year, baby? We won 6 coats. You need 4 coats. That you need 5 coats. You need 2. You need 3. And now I was going to be one of the nights I would have won 5 solid coats, all of them. But for this game, I've watched Monaco versus Paris Saint-Germain. Baby, there hasn't been a single time where I felt that Monaco are a threat to Paris Saint-Germain.
No.
You see, last season, again in the league, Monaco be near me away when they were playing at Monaco. Then Luis Enrique makes one change from the false 9, brings in Goncalo Garcia. Goncalo Garcia buying a one-header pan Yapon. Monaco just huffs and puffs against Paris Saint-Germain. They don't get the results. And even though almost there's a last minute equalizer, it's just never enough to put out Paris Saint-Germain. Just starting match. Just like they did at home. When they cancel first goal, you develop it from there. You see, Monaco is a club that constantly have been in the shadows of Paris Saint-Germain, and Camille Okoye say, "Hey, I didn't want them for a long time."
Now we from now.
Then the game prolongs. At some point in time, they turn it around. Red card. Then from that red card, the free kick now. Abrante friend Marquinhos gets the job done. From there, that's when you see the Luis Enrique football. Counter pressing, pinning them back, making sure say consistently, sustaining pressure. And that's exactly what they did. Second goal for Abrante friend Vicha Kvaratskhelia from a rebound of the shot of Abrante, your friend Ashraf Hakimi, making sure say at the end of the day, winning game. And this is what you were saying. God, Monaco did red card. 93rd minute, 91st minute. I can't just 1 minute now born upon. By the time I made it to one, Paris Saint-Germain for the kita ball. And I'm seeing where they are going now. Adwumayesi. Me Dane ko by amu se me phone because I'm with Juventus. In 10 years I say Teze at a can 2-2.
For almost destroy everything.
For almost 15 minutes. Now quickly before we go, we are Chelsea ni one open.
Na me ne Andy Craig can be na me dan ka me ma adwesa anka PSG ya. PSG
because you really can't go back away or pack the princess.
PSG na.
Newcastle.
Dabi. Me nkwa for no omo wo kwan bi on fa so ball na. Me to me mempe.
Omo very physical.
Mempe. We mu de ye ni omo limit ni betimi abo. Ne kama betimi abo ball ne kama.
Okay. Gabna and now last minute haircut you know, and then definitely it has to go on well for the boys in team. So me mouth just 5 codes and on the coffee can on Betway. First code near BW3F B94CA2. That is the first code. The second code no BW3F B8 B5FA. Third code no BW3F B8 9D0B. Fourth one no BW3F B8 7001. And the last one BW3F B8 543B.
Okay. Kofi yada say anu ya Fifi Manfred ana ode akwa the tactical front ya kwakodi ayenkomo yaba be help me dey san